Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to mute and unmute yourself during a Microsoft Teams meeting. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen we have the activity, the community, chat, and the calendar. And in the bottom left corner, we have the invite to Teams and the search bar, which is in the top side of the screen. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and mute and unmute yourself during a Microsoft Teams meeting. So firstly, of course, you have to go and join the meeting, which I will not be doing for, of course, obvious reasons. But when you join the meeting, the things that you need to do is tap mute yourself. So click on the microphone icon in the control bar at the bottom of the screen. When muted, the icon will have a line through it and your mic will be off. To unmute, click on the microphone icon again. The line through the icon will disappear and your mic will be active. For keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus M on Windows. And Mac, you should go and click CMD plus Shift plus M to toggle mute on and off. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.